Hello everyone, I'm Robert, and today I want to sit down with you, just like two old friends meeting again after a long afternoon, to talk about something that all of us, whether we're in our 50s, 60s, or even 70s, feel very deeply. Time is passing faster than we think. Have you ever looked in the mirror in the morning and wondered, when did I start aging like this? The slight droop at the corner of your eyes, the skin feeling a bit less firm, or that sense of looking tired even when you've had enough sleep. I've heard so many patients ask me that question, and to be honest, I've asked myself the same thing. But then there's one thing I've learned after more than 35 years working with people over 50. Aging is not the enemy. What's truly frightening isn't age itself. It's when we let our body lose its ability to heal, lose collagen, lose elasticity, lose that inner glow that we're meant to have at any age. And you know what? Sometimes the most effective solutions aren't found in laboratories or in expensive pills, but in the simplest, most ordinary things. A warm cup of tea in the morning, a deep breath, a small daily habit repeated gently like a whisper to your body, I'm still taking care of you. I remember one patient, her name was Martha, 68 years old. She told me, "Doctor, I'm not scared of wrinkles. I'm scared of looking tired and weak." I smiled and said, "Martha, what makes us look tired isn't wrinkles. It's when collagen in the skin breaks down too quickly." She looked at me curiously, and I continued, "When collagen is strong, your skin looks brighter, smoother, more alive. When collagen weakens, even if you don't have many wrinkles, you'll still look tired." And then I told Martha exactly what I want to tell you today. There are certain teas, small habits, that can naturally, safely, and sustainably protect your collagen. No complexity, no high cost, just a few peaceful minutes you allow yourself each day. You see, our bodies are incredibly intelligent. Collagen doesn't suddenly disappear. It gets worn away little by stress, lack of sleep, sunlight, sugar, and even the unspoken worries we carry inside. We think the exhaustion is only in our mind, but the skin hears it too. And the beautiful thing is, your body also knows how to thank you when you treat it well. A cup of green tea in the morning can activate EGCG, protecting collagen from damage. A cup of chamomile before bed can calm your nervous system, helping your skin repair more deeply overnight. A little matcha keeps your energy steady without making your heart race like coffee. A bit of ginger tea after meals reduces inflammation, the silent enemy of every collagen structure. These things, they sound so simple that people often overlook them. But trust me, I've seen hundreds of patients transform just through these small habits. And perhaps what I love most about this topic isn't the beauty of the skin. It's seeing people reconnect with themselves again. Many people in their 50s or 60s tell me, "Doctor, I feel like I'm not myself anymore. I don't recognize the person in the mirror." And I always reply, "You haven't lost anything. You just need to gently help your body recover the right way." Today I want to take you a bit deeper, not just talking about 10 anti-aging teas, but the meaning behind them. Because each tea is not just a drink. They are companions, little pauses that remind you that your body is still alive, still listening, still capable of rejuvenating at any age. So before we begin, I want you to imagine this. You're holding a warm cup of tea. Steam rises softly. You place your hand on your chest and feel your heartbeat. In that moment, even just a few seconds, you're no longer running after life. You're simply here with yourself. And sometimes that moment alone helps us stay youthful more than any cream or medicine ever could. Today I'll share with you the teas that can protect collagen, reduce wrinkles naturally, and help you feel lighter, stronger, and more at peace each day. We'll talk about science in a way that makes sense instantly, about experience, what I've witnessed over decades in this field, and about life, because at our age, health is no longer just about the body, it's about the soul. If you're ready, sit down, relax, and join me on this journey of rejuvenation from within. 1. White tea, gentle but powerful in protecting collagen. When I talk about white tea, many of my patients smile and say, "Doctor, it sounds too delicate to actually do anything." But the truth is the opposite. Because it's so minimally processed, white tea keeps its polyphenols almost completely intact. And these compounds help protect both collagen and elastin. And those two are the very structures that keep the skin lifted, firm, and resilient. I always tell them, never underestimate the gentle things. What is subtle often lasts the longest. 2. Matcha green tea, the EGCG warrior for collagen. Matcha contains one of the highest concentrations of EGCG found in the tea family. This compound acts like a shield, protecting collagen from stress, UV exposure, sugar, and low-grade chronic inflammation. Another bonus? Matcha gives you stable, calm energy, no heart racing, no sudden crash. People over 50 appreciate that more than they realize. 3. Chamomile tea, because deep sleep is nature's collagen treatment. I often tell my patients that no serum is more powerful than a truly restful night of sleep. Chamomile calms the nervous system, reduces inner tension, and brings gentle anti-inflammatory effects. When the body rests deeply, the skin repairs itself. Collagen is rebuilt more efficiently. This is the tea I always say, drink it so your mind can sleep first, and your skin will follow. 4. Rosehip tea, natural vitamin C that rebuilds collagen at its roots. Rosehip is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C. It also contains vitamin A and lycopene, an incredible trio that activates fibroblasts, helping them produce fresh collagen. If you're over 50 and feel your skin has become dull or tired-looking, this is the tea you should try immediately. 5. Celery juice, gentle detox that slows collagen breakdown. Celery juice isn't a miracle cure, but it is a gentle support system for the liver. When your liver functions better, systemic inflammation drops, and inflammation is one of the main reasons collagen gets eroded day by day. You don't need to drink a lot, just enough to give your body a lighter workload. Your skin will thank you for it. 6. Oolong tea, elasticity and inner radiance. Oolong sits between green tea and black tea, offering the best of both worlds, strong antioxidants and better fat metabolism. Patients who drink oolong regularly often tell me, "My skin just looks fresher." That's improved elasticity and healthier microcirculation right beneath the surface. 7. Hibiscus tea, when vitamin C and antioxidants work together. The deep ruby color of hibiscus comes from anthocyanins, compounds known to help reduce UV damage. Combined with natural vitamin C, hibiscus slows down the collagen breakdown caused by daily sun exposure. A cup after lunch is a wonderful choice. 8. Black tea, a wall of defense against environmental aging. The polyphenols in black tea work like magnets for free radicals. Pollution, dust, sunlight, these everyday factors silently make the skin look tired. Black tea helps counter that, protecting the collagen structure underneath. It's an excellent choice for people living in cities. 9. Ginger tea, deep anti-inflammatory support for collagen repair. Ginger is one of the strongest natural anti-inflammatory foods. Chronic inflammation is what eats away collagen slowly over time. Ginger tea helps lower inflammation, improves digestion, and enhances nutrient absorption, supporting healthier skin from the inside. 10. Collagen peptides, 95% absorption, straight to skin and joints. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides are the most direct way to support collagen levels. With an absorption rate of up to 95%, they provide the raw material your skin and joints need. Patients often notice improved elasticity, fewer fine lines, and better joint comfort. For best results, I usually recommend pairing them with vitamin C-rich teas like rosehip. 11. Green tea. Classic, timeless, scientifically proven. EGCG in green tea is one of the most studied compounds for collagen protection. Green tea also improves metabolism, reduces inflammation, and helps control blood sugar. And sugar is one of collagen's silent destroyers. 12. Lemon balm tea. Reducing oxidative stress and calming the mind. Stress destroys collagen faster than sunlight. Lemon balm calms the nervous system, reduces anxiety, and lowers oxidative stress. When your mind is more peaceful, your skin receives the benefit almost instantly. 13. Rooibos tea. Mineral-rich nourishment for people over 50. Rooibos is naturally caffeine-free, perfect for older adults who are sensitive to stimulants. It's rich in minerals and antioxidants and even supports heart health. It doesn't just slow skin aging, it promotes overall vitality. Brighter skin, steadier energy, better sleep. As we come to the end of our time together today, I want to leave you with this thought. Your body hasn't given up on you. It's still listening, still responding, still capable of healing in ways that might surprise you. Sometimes all it needs is a small act of kindness, a warm cup of tea, a calmer breath, a moment where you choose to take care of yourself again. And if today's video has given you even a little bit of hope or a new way to reconnect with your body, then I'm truly grateful. If you'd like to continue this journey with me, learning how to age with strength, clarity, and peace, then I'd love to have you here. So if you haven't already, go ahead and gently tap the like button. Share this video with someone you care about, someone who might need these reminders too, and feel free to leave a comment below. Tell me which tea you want to try first, or what part of aging you've been thinking about lately. I read every single comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. We have so much more to explore together. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Take care of yourself. Be gentle with your body, and I'll see you in the next video.